The growing demand for versatile all-season tires reflects drivers seeking year-round confidence. Surprisingly, typists and gamers who spend long hours at desks increasingly prioritize smooth, low-vibration commutes to unwind after intense gaming or typing sessions. To help you choose, this guide evaluates each tire's tread responsiveness, switch type, structural durability, build quality, groove pattern, layout, and long-term mileage return value. Product number 1. Hankook Kinergy ST H735 All-Season 235/65R17 104H Passenger Tire. The Hankook Kinergy ST H735 stands out as a premier standard touring all-season option, engineered specifically for drivers who want a smooth, quiet ride without sacrificing all-weather dependability. Designed to fit a wide range of sedans, crossovers, and CUVs, this 235/65R17 104H tire balances long tread wear with refined driving dynamics. At the core of its performance is Hankook's high-grip silica rubber compound. This material acts much like a finely calibrated tactile switch underfoot, delivering responsive feedback during acceleration and braking while maintaining low rolling resistance to improve fuel efficiency. The tread layout features a continuous solid center rib that provides excellent straight-line stability and precise steering control, complemented by an optimized pitch sequence that breaks up road noise to keep the interior cabin quiet during extended highway drives. When examining build quality, the Kinergy ST incorporates high-stiffness bead fillers and jointless full-cover reinforcement belts. This heavy-duty internal architecture strengthens the tire casing against impact damage and uneven tread wear. 4 wide circumferential grooves and full-depth sipes work simultaneously to channel standing water away from the footprint, dramatically lowering the risk of hydroplaning during spring downpours. For daily commuters seeking dependable multi-season traction, low road noise, and impressive tread life, the Hankook Kinergy ST offers extraordinary value. It turns everyday driving into a comfortable, secure experience across wet roads, summer heat, and light winter slush.
Product number 2. Starfire Solaris AS All-Season 205/65R16 95H tire. When budget considerations meet reliable engineering, the Starfire Solaris AS All-Season 205/65R16 95H tire emerges as a standout choice. Produced under the Cooper Tire family umbrella, this wallet-friendly tire delivers dependable 4-season performance without requiring a premium price tag, making it an ideal candidate for compact and mid-size sedans. The tread layout utilizes an advanced computer-optimized pattern featuring wide longitudinal channels paired with variable angle sipes. This layout rapidly evacuates water and slush from beneath the contact patch, maintaining firm rubber-to-road contact when weather conditions turn slick. Crucially, the full-depth siping ensures that as the tread wears down over thousands of miles, the tire continues to expose fresh biting edges for consistent wet and light snow traction throughout its life. In terms of build quality, the Solaris AS is constructed around a durable polyester casing reinforced by twin steel belts. This sturdy foundation resists deformation under lateral cornering forces, encouraging even wear across the footprint while maintaining structural integrity over potholes. The rubber compound offers a forgiving, compliant ride feel, effortlessly dampening minor road imperfections and bridge expansion joints. For cost-conscious drivers who refuse to compromise on basic safety and all-weather capability, the Starfire Solaris AS represents exceptional overall value. It delivers quiet highway cruising, solid wet weather stopping power, and dependable everyday wear at an accessible price point that makes replacing a full set easy on the wallet.
Product number 3. Fullway HP 108 All-Season Truck/SUV Performance Radial Tire 245/50R20 102V Load Range SL 4-ply BSW Black Sidewall UTQG 380A. For crossover and light SUV owners looking to combine aggressive street styling with high-speed cornering stability, the Fullway HP 108 in size 245/50R20 delivers sport-oriented performance at an attractive price point. Carrying a V speed rating up to 149 miles per hour and a 102 load index, this radial tire easily accommodates the higher center of gravity and vehicle weight associated with modern utility vehicles. The asymmetric tread layout is specifically engineered to balance wet weather evacuation with high-speed dry handling. Reinforced shoulder blocks on the outer tread act like a firm performance switch during cornering, offering sharp turn-in response and resisting shoulder scrub. Meanwhile, deep central longitudinal grooves work alongside lateral channels to sweep water away from the contact patch, maintaining traction during sudden highway downpours. A key highlight of its build quality is the integrated rim protector flange. This raised rubber ridge along the lower bead shields expensive 20-inch alloy wheels from curb rash and parking scrap damage. The 4-ply SL casing and UTQG 380A rating reflect a stiff, supportive structure built to maintain its shape under aggressive driving while delivering moderate tread life. By merging bold, low-profile aesthetics, responsive steering feedback, wheel-protecting features, and competitive pricing, the 20-inch Fullway HP 108 provides strong overall value for SUV drivers wanting a sporty look and feel through every season.
Product number 4. Goodyear Assurance Finesse All-Season 225/65 R17 SL 102H Tire. The Goodyear Assurance Finesse All-Season 225/65 R17 102H is a time-tested touring tire crafted by one of the most trusted names in the automotive industry. Frequently selected as original equipment, OE fitment on popular crossovers like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Chevrolet Equinox, this tire is tailored for drivers who value plush ride comfort, fuel economy, and fuss-free all-weather reliability. The tread layout features an optimized tread pattern designed to maximize rubber contact with the asphalt while dampening acoustic pitch frequencies. Strategic multi-frequency sipes create multiple biting edges that grip wet roads and light snow, ensuring short stopping distances across changing seasons. A solid center rib provides a stable, planted feel on the interstate, reducing driver fatigue on long trips by minimizing micro-steering corrections. Goodyear's build quality shines through its specialized fuel-efficient compound. This material minimizes internal energy loss and rolling resistance, helping your vehicle stretch every gallon of gas further. The internal construction features high-tensile steel belts, supported by a polyester cord body, giving the tire resilience against road debris and potholes, while preserving a cushioned, comfortable ride quality. For crossover owners looking to restore their vehicle's original factory ride softness, low cabin noise, and fuel economy, the Goodyear Assurance Finesse delivers top-tier brand heritage, proven engineering, and reliable long-term value.
Product number 5. Bridgestone WeatherPeak 235/60R18 103H Touring Radio 103H Load Range SL 4-ply BSW Black Sidewall UTQG 700AA. The Bridgestone WeatherPeak 235/60R18 103H stands at the absolute apex of luxury touring performance and true four-season capability. Earning the prestigious 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake 3PM SF rating, this tire moves beyond standard all-season limits by delivering severe winter snow traction without compromising quiet, long-wearing summer touring comfort. The tread layout showcases Bridgestone's innovative design, incorporating open shoulder slots, full-depth 3D sipes, and central snow vices. These features adapt dynamically to road conditions, locking on to packed snow and biting into rain-slicked roads with incredible grip. During heavy rains, the open shoulder channels flush water out rapidly, enabling exceptionally short wet braking distances that set category standards. In terms of build quality and material technology, the WeatherPeak boasts an impressive UTQG 700AA rating, signifying extraordinary treadwear longevity. Its specialized compound remains flexible in sub-freezing temperatures while resisting heat degradation during hot summer road trips. The 4-ply SL construction absorbs harsh bumps effortlessly, creating a smooth, insulated ride inside the cabin. While it sits at a higher initial price point, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak offers unmatched long-term value. For drivers living in regions with unpredictable seasonal weather, severe winter rain, or sudden snowfalls, this tire provides complete peace of mind and top-tier safety year-round.
Product number 6. Fullway HP 108 All-Season Passenger Car Performance Radial Tire 205/55 R16 205/5516 205/55-16 91V Load Range SL 4-ply BSW Black Sidewall UTQG 380AA.
Rounding out the lineup, the Fullway HP 108 in size 205/55R16 brings sporty responsiveness and modern styling to compact sedans and hatchbacks. As one of the most popular tire sizes on the road today, this 91V rated radial tire offers an attractive blend of high-speed stability, clean aesthetics, and budget-conscious pricing. The tread layout utilizes a directional-inspired asymmetric footprint, featuring 4 wide circumferential channels and sweeping lateral grooves. This layout efficiently pushes water out from under the contact patch to maintain traction during heavy rain commutes. Stiff outer shoulder blocks deliver instant steering response when turning into sharp corners, keeping the vehicle stable and preventing shoulder squirm during enthusiastic driving. When evaluating build quality, the HP 108 features a 4-ply SL reinforced casing with a UTQG rating of 380 AA. It includes a built-in sidewall rim protector flange, which helps shield 16-inch alloy wheels against accidental curb contact during tight parallel parking. The compound provides a firm, connected road feel that appeals to drivers who prefer crisp handling feedback over an overly soft ride. For commuter car drivers seeking an affordable set of tires that delivers sporty V-speed performance, aggressive wet traction, and protective build quality, the 16-inch Fullway HP 108 is a smart, high-value choice.
Selecting the ideal all-season tires comes down to matching your local climate, driving habits, and budget priorities. If you live in an area with harsh winter spells and want single-set convenience without swapping to winter tires, the 3P MSF-rated Bridgestone WeatherPeak is the ultimate premium investment. Commuters seeking maximum comfort and whisper-quiet highway miles will find exceptional refinement in the Hankook Kinergy ST and Goodyear Assurance Finesse.